Everyone, solution for question number 2 from exercise 1.2. Okay, the question goes like this: choose the correct answer from the following. Means there are 4 choices given, you need to choose the correct one. It is a multiple choice question. So let us have a look at the question now. Sub question 1, find the 30th term of the given AP. The AP is as follows. So let us see what all things we know and what we have to find out. First of all, A, which is the first term, is 10. Next comes D, which is equal to A2 minus A1. Let me write it as A2 minus A1, which is equal to A2 is 7 and minus A1 is 10, which is equal to minus 3. So D is minus 3. I got A, I got D. Next I want the number of terms. See, if you look at this term, this is the nth term or the last term which I have to find out. If A30 is the last term, then that means the number of terms must be 30. See, if there were 10 terms, which is the last term? 10th term. So, if 30th term is the last term, means how many terms? 30 terms. That means n is equal to, I'll write it here, n is equal to 30. So, I got these 3 values. Using this, in the an formula, we can find out A30. So, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, an value is nothing but A30. So, A30 is equal to A, which is A is 10 here, 10 plus n minus 1. N is 30. So, I got 30 minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. So, now next step is A30 is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. So, let me multiply that part. A30 is equal to 10 plus into minus. Again I repeat, this is not subtraction, this is multiplication here. So, don't subtract 29 minus 3. Most of the students do this mistake. 29 minus 3, 26. That's what they write, and it's all wrong. It is a product here because of the brackets, it's off. So, 29 of minus 3, it's product. So, now multiply. 3 9s are 27 to carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8, 87. 10 minus 87. One is positive, one is negative, we have to subtract. So, when you subtract, you get 77. Bigger number being negative, I put this as minus 77. So that is the answer. Let us search where is that answer. C is the answer. Your choice is right. Minus 77. Second sub question in main question number 2, exercise 1.2 goes like this. Find the 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus half 2 etc. So let me see. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d, where an we have to find out, that is A11. In place of n we have 11. Let us see what are the things we know from here. First of all, A is the first term, which is minus 3, and d, which is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to A2 is minus half and minus A1, which is minus 3. Please be careful, there is one minus from the formula and another minus comes from the term. Okay? So, when we simplify this further, it is minus half, minus into minus plus 3. To simplify this, actually common sense, it says minus half and 3. If you remove half from 3, it is 2 and half or 5 by 2. But let us solve it. Okay? When a number is not given as fraction, we write it as by 1 and it becomes a fraction. Now, the regular method of simplification. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 2 3s are plus 6 divided by 2 1s are 2. The answer is 6 minus 1 or minus 1 plus 6 is 5 plus 5 upon 2. That is the D. So, we got D, we got A. N, directly you can see N is 11. So, N is 11, I will directly write here. A is minus 3 and plus n, which is 11 minus 1 into d. D is 5 by 2. Now, next step, A11 is equal to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 upon 2. We can simplify here. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So 5 fives are 25. A11 is equal to minus 3 plus 25. Minus 3 plus 25. So opposite signs, both of them, means we have to subtract. So 25 minus 3 is 22. Bigger number sign is positive. So A11 is equal to 22. That is our 11th term. Let us find out where is that heading. There it is. B is the answer.